Every year, nearly 80,000 university students from across the world compete in international quant championship. The industry behind it includes firms where internship exceeds 1.5 lakhs a month, and full-time packages at firms like Jane Street, Citadel, and Graviton regularly crosses 1 crore. This isn't what most engineering students are told about, but NST students found it in their first semester.
Hi, I'm Piyanshu.
I am Ankit.
I'm Vani.
I'm Mihika.
We are Team Megatron from Newton School of Technology, Rishihood University. And we have been competing in WorldQuant IQC, one of the biggest quantitative finance championship in the world.
It all began on a random day when I received a Slack message from Kartik sir saying, "Whoever is good at mathematics, show up." Curious and excited, my friends and I decided to attend. During that session, he introduced us to the world of quant, and that was my first exposure to it. From that moment, I became deeply interested in exploring more.
I honestly wasn't sure I was prepared enough, but they pushed me. And then Mihika said, if Kartik sir is doing it, it will be good. And then it started.
My father comes from a business background. He had some knowledge about trading, how stocks work, so I had a little idea going in. But quant is different. You are not just watching stocks so go up and down. You are building the mathematical logic behind why they move. That's when alpha is. A line of code, a mathematical signal that tell you what the market might do next.
In the simplest terms, quant is where computer science meets finance. You use your mathematical knowledge to build strategies that the stock markets run on. It sounds complex, but once you get into it, it becomes the kind of thing that you can't stop thinking about.
Ankit and I are roommates, so a lot of our work happens late at night when everyone else is asleep. We pull all-nighters together, debate strategies, figure out what our things are working and what is not.
It's individual work in terms of building alphas, but it's deeply collaborative in terms of learning. Ankita from Team Agni helped me a lot. I kept asking her, how do you actually reach gold level? And she kept saying it will happen. And eventually it did.
The community is what makes it work. We are a batch of 600 students, only 13 of us are doing it. That exclusivity drives you. You feel like you are doing something most people around you don't even know exists. Quant firms like Jane Street and Citadel have eligibility criteria that usually favor IITs. They don't come to private colleges directly. But the WorldQuant IQC exists to change that. If you perform well here, your work speaks for yourself. This isn't common. Most of my friends from IITs don't even know about this platform. If you go to the WorldQuant global rankings, you will see Indians at the top, followed by China, Taiwan, Korea. It's exclusive. And being here early is an advantage most students don't even know about they could have.
Kartik sir has been one of the biggest support systems for our team. What stands out is his energy in every session. He always addresses us as gold champions. That confidence he puts in us, it genuinely makes us do better. His involvement has been constant throughout.
We are a team of 13 across all groups. We want to eventually compete at bigger stages and deep dive into research.